We all have dreams, we all have visions in our life of what we want to be, and we all have our own ways to achieve that goal. Whatever the way is chosen by us, on every way there are some problems. There is nothing great which can be achieved without facing problems. But what happens with us, that whenever we have any problem, whether we start cursing to God that why is it happening with me, or we start doubting on ourselves that can I do this? Guys, I want to make you listen a story of Michael Jordan, the basketball star. When he was a child, his father called him and showed him a t-shirt and asked that as per you what is the cost of it. He replied $1. His father told him to sell that t-shirt in $2. He washed that t-shirt, wrapped it in a good polythene and went to market. After some time a person bought that t-shirt. He gave that money to his father. After some days, his father again called him and gave him one more t-shirt as same as the last one. And this time his father told him to sell that t-shirt in $20. He thought an idea, brought a poster of Mickey Mouse and pasted that poster on the t-shirt and went to a school where rich children study. And after some time, a child told to his father and they bought that t-shirt. He gave that money to his father. He was happy. After some days, his father again gave him one more t-shirt and asked that what is the cost of it. Again he replied $1. And this time his father told him to sell that t-shirt in $200. He was thinking that how to sell it in $200 and he came to know that the most beautiful actress of Bollywood is coming to neighbor town. He went there and after crossing some securities, he went in front of that actress and asked for autograph on that t-shirt. Because he was a child, that actress could not deny him and gave her autograph. He went to market and sold that t-shirt in $800, not in $200, and gave that money to his father. His father told him that very good son, very good, you can do everything in your life. And same thing happened also. We all people know him as the god of basketball. Here, the thing should be noticed is this, that whenever his father told him to sell that t-shirt in $2, in $20 and in $200, he never thought that I can't do this. He never thought that this is not my cup of tea. He never thought that father has gone mad. He just thought that how to do it. So by this what I want to tell is this, that whatever is the condition, whether it is good or bad, it just depends on the perception, that which kind of perception we are having towards it. So there are some ways by which we may have good perception towards our problems. First is, we may consider them as puzzles. Whenever we have any problem, we may think that I am going to have a new puzzle and I am going to have new adventure and I will solve it with all my efforts. And when we solve any puzzle, we see all the pieces and then we make some strategy in our mind and then we start to solve it. So same thing we may apply for our problems also. Second one is this, that we may consider them as a spice in our story. Suppose guys, you are watching a movie and in that movie, same clip is reeled again and again. So would you like to watch that movie? No. Same thing happens in our real life also. If we want to make someone listen our story, then we must have some good matter to tell. And for good matter, we must have some good problems in our life. So we may think that I am going to have some good spice in my story. Third one is this, that what happens that whenever we have any problem, we start cursing to God, that why God is giving these problems to me only, anyone else is not having these kind of problems. Despite it, what we may do, we may think that if God is giving these kind of problems to me only, then I must be having some good powers to solve it, I must be having some good qualities to solve it. And the last one is this, that we may visualize ourselves in future and search the difference between what is temporary and what is permanent. The stress and the pressure which we will get because of our problems, that will be totally temporary in our life. But the happiness, the satisfaction and most importantly the confidence which we will get after solving those problems, that will be permanent in our life. So that visualization will not let us quit. And last, I want to tell one line which was told by Anupam Kher sir, that is like this, that problems cannot become our problems until we accept them as problems. Thank you.